Well, folks, we're back from the pond. We caught ourselves a few little trout here, pan fryers. They'll fry out nice. Sorry there, I said we were going to have a little cook up there in the woods, but I got a little wet. Now it's all part of it. We came back home. I'm going to show you how I like to clean these guys up, especially where the kids, you know, the kids like the trout too, but they don't like the bones. So I figured out a little way. I don't know how anybody else really does it, and I just been cleaning a few of them and figured out a way that I can get the bones out of them and make the most of the meat. But here we go. Next time you see us, we'll have the kids and we'll do a little cook up with them. But for now, I'm gonna clean these guys up and show you how I do it. Get your little fillet knife, you know, just nice neat little knife here. Grab your trout. I got a little piece of paper towel.
Or your wife's fillet knife.
My wife's, yeah. But mine is hers and hers is hers. How's that go?
No.
What's hers is mine.
What's mine is mine and what's yours is mine.
I'm a little dyslexic. You guys will see that as the videos keep going. Yeah, wipe off that bit of slime and, you know, keep the paper towel there so you can help hold on to them. So come in here behind the gills, give her a little cut down like that. Turn your knife down and go up along that backbone, cut right through them. Cut right through them bones, right down to the tail, like that, look. And you got yourself, and the ribs are still in the meat. But this is what I do, right? And look, that's the bone, you know, no meat left on her. Look at that color, boys. That's the little rib cage. Take my knife. You make sure she's nice and sharp. Look, just shave that off of there just like that. Then you got yourself a little fish finger. Put that in a little bit of milk or egg wash, whatever, and dip her in some flour or whatever you like to do. I personally would like to use cornflakes.
It's the best with cornflakes.
It is the best.
Yeah.
But anyways, here's one little fish finger. Down. Flip her over. Hold on to them. Behind the gills. Turn your knife. And cut down through them bones. Right down to the tail, pop her off, like that. Right here, transparent. You see the light right through it. Not wasting much meat.
And the garden eats the rest.
And the garden goes out to the tomatoes, love it.
Yes, sir.
And then same thing.
Nothing goes to waste.
Turn them over. See the little rib bones there. And shave them right out just like that. Nothing to it. There, folks. Here you have it. How I like to make some fish sticks for the kids. Myself and Marion.
CJ McCain's best friend Mayor.
You know it. Nova Newfie, out.